Hello everyone and welcome to another video for Mindful Eating. I have been very busy here of late, but today I just want to do a very quick video for roasted, healthy, roasted, baked in the oven barbecue chicken. And I'm going to have compliments of red onions that I've thrown on top. Now this is a very basic barbecue sauce marinade. I'll leave the ingredients in the description box. And just here very quickly, as you can see, there's some roasted parboiled jacket 40s, basically two, and I've diced them. And what's going to happen is I'm going to put that in the oven to bake for half an hour. And what's going to happen is that I'm going to show you how to style a healthy meal for yourself within just under 10-15 minutes. Obviously the cooking times will add more time onto it, but this is a very quick meal for someone living on their own, even for your family, even for a lovely meal for yourself, a quick lunch. So basically this will be cooked in the oven for just under half an hour, as well as the jacket 40s as well, which I have put two. And we'll be back soon for once it's all finished. And here we are. This is the finished product. We've got some barbecued chicken here. We've got some mixed leaf salad and a tomato. And doesn't this look lovely? Now, as I said, this is a lovely meal for someone on their own, as a family meal as well. I just wanted to share this video with you all very quickly. I hope this meal will encourage somebody today to take the time to just enjoy some really good food. Obviously, it's the long Jubilee weekend. Obviously, it's a time for relaxation, spending time with family and friends. And I'm just sharing this video just to let everyone know that, mindful eating is about healthy eating for the mind and body, looking after yourself, taking time to reflect, taking time to just spend time on yourself sometimes, and just enjoying great food. I will put the recipe in the description box. Thank you very much again for tuning in, and have a good day.